today for the press meet. This is our official press meet for third edition of Lulu Fashion Week that is scheduled to take place on May 10th and 11th of 2025, which will be happening in Lulu Mall, Bangalore. We welcome you all to be part of this and make the event a great success. Mr. Manjesh from our regional marketing manager for Hypermarket will be giving a quick brief on the Lulu Fashion Week 2025.
Good evening all and all my media partners. So whichever the first event, the big event we conduct, so we associate with all our media partners because without them we cannot achieve many of the things. So here, as Vishal said, so we are commencing Lulu Fashion Week on this May 10th and 11th, and this is our third edition of Lulu Fashion Week, showcasing spring-summer collections. And US Polo is presented this event, and along with this fashion show, we'll be having fashion awards, fashion forum, where the legends from the fashion fraternity will be coming and discussing about the topic. And apart from the fashion show, fashion arts, we'll also be having a special show during this event. Thank you.
Now, we have Suraksha from Visual Merchandising Fashion Store. So Suraksha will be heading with you brief on brands collaborations.
Hello everyone. So this year LFW has been choreographed by Mr. Fahim Raja, and he is one of the India's biggest well-known fashion choreographer, and leading celebrity we have Miss Jackie Pestovich, and will feature all the seasons most eye-catching spring-summer collections and from all the global brands. So with multiple shows, we spread across 2 days. That prominent models are set to walk the ramp leading brands like US Polo Kids, US Polo, Van Heusen, Peter England, Safari, Jockey, Identity, VIP, Crimson Club, Indian Terrain, Rio, Levi's, American Tourister and Amukti. We welcome you all.
Thank you, Suraksha. Now we have Mr. Ankit, who will be briefing about the mall support for the Lulu Fashion Week 2025.
Thank you so much. It's always pleasure, talking in front of media partners, because whenever we host an event, this is a season 3 of Lulu Fashion Week. And thank you so much for the medias again, because we start our event with our media partners. So I would require a huge applause for the media partners from everyone. Thank you so much. And with your support, again we are going to start this event. And as we are having a Lulu Fashion Week for the 2 days, that is on Saturday and Sunday. So we are getting all top-notch celebrities on that particular 2 days. And we'll be having around like 17 to 18 shows. With that 18 shows, we'll be having a different showstoppers. So we are covering almost all the, celebrities will be coming during this 2 days. And as mall is decked up with a lot of events which is happening parallelly with Lulu Fashion Week. And we will be having one more we want to unveil that next week, that is on May 18th. Lulu is going to do the season 2 of Walkathon. So the Walkathon, which will be happening for the second season, and that is happening on May 18th, Sunday, 6 o'clock a.m. morning. So I want all my customers and all my to come and participate for the Lulu Walkathon for the season 2, and this will be the 5 kilometers radius what we're going to cover, and we'll be expecting more number of walk-ins for that also. So I want the same support from the media team also from your end. Thank you.
Media partners, lovely to see you all. Being the premium shopping destination at Bangalore, we have to keep on catering something new. So as you know, this is the version 4 of our Lulu Fashion Forum, what we are going to conduct. Simultaneously, as a mall, we keep on offering something new. For example, for last financial year, we are introduced around 20 plus new brands. And this year also, there are new brands lined up. You can see next to right, there is a Snitch which is newly introduced. Back end, there is Celio. And we will come up with 2 more anchor stores. Reliance Digital is going to add our league, plus Azorto is going to come very soon. So it's like a recipe, it's like a menu on the table. If I keep the same menu and the same recipe, you will be get bored. So year on year, some progress need to happen. So we are putting our best effort to cater which is trending in the market and keep on engaging. Not only shopping is our purpose is to make this place as a destination for all of us. And all of you, our customers, especially whenever our media friends come, you are the gateway to tell the market what's new in here. And I heartily welcome you all and be there on the fashion show day as well. This Lulu Fashion Weeks 2025 going to be a memorable, and I wish luck to entire my team as well as need your blessings and support all the way. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. So Rio is our fashion brand under Lulu Group International. We are committed to making fashion accessible and affordable to everyone. And all the products are crafted from high quality materials, and it is designed to be fashionable, comfortable and durable at the same time. And our product ranges from casual wear to formal attire, comfortable footwear and stylish accessories. So this Lulu Fashion Week 2025, we are very much excited to showcase our beautiful spring-summer collection, and also these collections are also available at our Lulu Fashion Store Rajaji Nagar and at our India's first exclusive brand outlet located at VR Mall, Bengaluru. So I warmly invite everyone to join us on this Lulu Fashion Week happening on 10th and 11th of May. Thank you.
This is our third Fashion Week. So we are taking this as an opportunity to present all our new collection to our customers. So we are presenting to you in a fashion shows. We are having almost 17 shows, and we are having support of good choreographers with good makeup artists. So we are going to present those new collections in a better way towards our customers. So I invite all of you to come on 10th and 11th to join our fashion shows and support us on this. Thank you.
Hi everybody, this is Manoj from Lulu Fashion. This is like our store, like one-stop destination. You can find the multiple brands and huge varieties. If you come to the family shopping, you can see a lot of variety of the collection, number of well-known brands. Also, you can pick the good things on. Also, you can like the branded collections, and also you'll get the good offers like the initial price point. Also, you'll get. You can find a variety of the collection in that. Also, you can visit your friends and colleagues also. It's like completely like Lulu Fashion is like one-stop destination for the shoppers. Thank you.
Thank you, Manu. Now we have Mr. Fahim Raja, who is our fashion choreographer, to tell us a few words about Lulu Fashion Week.
Good evening everyone, especially to the media fraternity and all the guests arrived here. First of all, I will start with thanking the Lulu Group and everyone from Kiran sir to Manjay sir to Vinny sir to everyone who has made me a part of this. And I welcome my stylist, my partner Jackie Bestovich also on the platform. So as we know, Lulu Fashion Week has provided the best of the best shows across the country. Last year when we did Lulu Fashion Week in Bangalore, our main focus was to show how we can connect a normal person with the fashion, and we were very much successful in that. This year we promise you to deliver much better, much quality wise and much thoughtful. In every show it will be choreographed in style that every one of us, including you and me, will connect with the Lulu Fashion Week this season. Thank you.
For Lulu Fashion Week.
Good evening everyone, and thank you so much for joining us this evening. So I'm the official stylist for this season, season 3, and I'm really excited and overwhelmed to be here once again doing what I do. And many thanks goes out to Lulu and team for trusting in us, Fahim and myself, and bringing us back for this season. So my vision for the brands are to elevate and to interpret their story of style sensibility onto the runway, wherein I decode the latest in fashion and in lifestyle and present to all of you the best fashion has to offer. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you everybody, and looking forward to seeing you all on the 10th and 11th. Thank you.
Applause to our fashion choreographer, Mr. Fahim there. Oh, there's one more bouquet for the stylist. Yes, Rajiv, can we give one more bouquet there? Now I request Mr. Vineet and Mr. Kiran sir and all the team to come closer to please hand away the bouquet to Jackie Pestovich. Thank you so much, Mr. Fahim. And everybody in the same height. Please hold it in the same height and straight, so that the alignment is good and we get a good picture for the media.